To get to the Predictor site, you need to go to this website, predict.habhub.org. It opens up over Great Britain, and you can move these fields here, and this one allows you to get at the zoom feature. So you can zoom out and see more clearly where you are, and then left click and drag to get to Pennsylvania. Move that back, and then I just left click, and that one will zoom in, repeatedly left clicking. Alright, and I like to put Reading in the center, and up here there's latitude and longitude coordinates for wherever the cursor is, and here is information. There's latitude and longitude. You can set the point with the map, which we'll do. Launch altitude, that will vary. It will be low for us, and I keep it at 0. It doesn't make much difference. You can put a time and a date in for the launch. Ascent rate, 5 or 6 meters per second is good. We actually go in one more field here. Burst calculator. We want to hit burst calculator. We like to be able to put in the mass of our payload, and 1,800 grams is a good start. The balloon that we use is a K-Mont 600. We do not specify burst altitude. I generally put up the ascent rate, which is 5 or 6. I'll put it in as 5 right now, and I'll say use these values, and I want to look at them one more time. And this information is important. It tells us things we'll talk about in class, but it tells us the altitude it expects to burst at, the time into the flight, launch volume, and the ascent rate, and the neck lift, which we'll talk about in class. So hit use values, and now if we run the prediction, I didn't set the position right. Well, this is good. Let me show you how to do that. So that position was Churchill, and that's in England, but we want to set with map. So if you click set with map, it says now click your desired launch location. I close, so the next time I click, that's my launch location. Just say I'm going down to Lancaster, assuming I'm going to have to go a little south. I'll mark it there, and we just hit run prediction. And that would be the launch. Launched relatively soon. Remember, that's universal time, and we'll talk about that. It's 5 hours different than here. It's 5 hours ahead of here. So it tells me up here information. The range is 126 kilometers. That's how far it's going to go, how much time it's going to take. And if we were to launch at this time and date, we'd want to go way southwest of Reading, that far, and launch. I'd be hoping for some weather where we wouldn't have to go that far. But this is how you make a launch prediction. And one more thing, I'll put down a possible launch site and see, and you can do the same thing. So let's set with the map again, and I'm just eyeballing it here. Looks like maybe if we went down to near Martinsburg, Maryland, and released, that would land us down somewhere south of Hershey. So maybe I should go not so far away. I will again set with map. Next click. Let's see if we launch from north of Frederick, Maryland, and hit run. Now it's putting it up, actually not too far from Twin Valley. So that's the kind of game we play to figure out where we're going to launch.